Bitcoin just reached a new all-time high last year, and everyone's talking about it. But what is Bitcoin, and why is it so important? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Bitcoin, including how to make money with it and how to invest in it. Hi, we're Explosive Finance, and today we're going to talk about one of the most popular digital currencies, Bitcoin. In this video, we'll cover how to make money with Bitcoin, what you need to know about Bitcoin, and how to invest in Bitcoin. We've done our very best to make this video valuable, so it would be a great help if you click like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks in advance, and let's get to it. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It's a decentralized digital currency that is based on a peer-to-peer network. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. Blockchain technology is a decentralized system that allows for secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions. This technology allows for Bitcoin transactions to occur without the need for intermediaries such as banks. It is an innovative technology that is now being used for other purposes beyond cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has come a long way since its creation. Today, it has a market capitalization of over $1 trillion and is accepted as a form of payment by many major companies, including Tesla and Square. However, the market for Bitcoin is also highly volatile and subject to extreme price fluctuations. As an investor, you need to be aware of the risks involved. How to buy Bitcoin? There are several ways to buy Bitcoin, including centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Binance, decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, peer-to-peer marketplaces like Local Bitcoins, and Bitcoin ATMs. Each method has its pros and cons and may be more suitable for different investors depending on their preferences and experience. Centralized exchanges are usually the easiest and most popular way to buy Bitcoin, but they charge higher fees and are more vulnerable to hacks. Decentralized exchanges provide more security and privacy but require a higher level of technical knowledge. Peer-to-peer marketplaces can be a good option for investors who want to buy Bitcoin anonymously, but they come with a higher risk of fraud and scams. Let's take a closer look at how to buy Bitcoin on a centralized exchange like Coinbase. First, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity. Then, you can fund your account using a bank transfer or credit/debit card. Once your funds are available, you can buy Bitcoin at the current market price. Finally, you'll need to transfer your Bitcoin to a secure digital wallet for safekeeping. How to make money with Bitcoin? There are several ways to make money with Bitcoin, but they all involve some level of risk. You can trade Bitcoin on an exchange, mine Bitcoin using specialized hardware, or hold your Bitcoin as a long-term investment. Each method has its own advantages and disadvantages. If you're interested in trading Bitcoin, it's important to have a solid understanding of technical analysis and risk management. Technical analysis involves analyzing charts and market data to identify trends and patterns that can help you make informed trading decisions. Risk management involves setting stop-loss orders and only investing money you can afford to lose. It's also important to keep an eye on news and events that can affect the price of Bitcoin. Mining Bitcoin can be profitable, but it requires a significant investment in specialized hardware and software. The more powerful your mining equipment is, the higher your chances of earning Bitcoin rewards. However, you also need to factor in the cost of electricity and the difficulty of mining, which can make it less profitable over time. It's important to do your research and make sure you have a solid understanding of the mining process before investing in hardware. Holding Bitcoin as a long-term investment can be a good strategy for investors who believe in the long-term growth potential of Bitcoin. However, it's important to have a diversified investment portfolio and a clear exit strategy in case the market becomes too volatile. You should also be aware of the risks associated with holding Bitcoin, such as the potential for hacks or lost funds. There are several risks associated with investing in Bitcoin, including market volatility, hacking, and regulatory uncertainty. It's important to do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Additionally, Bitcoin has been associated with illegal activities in the past, but it's important to remember that the vast majority of Bitcoin transactions are legitimate. As an investor, you need to be aware of these risks and take steps to minimize them. In summary, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a peer-to-peer network. There are several ways to buy Bitcoin, including exchanges, decentralized exchanges, and peer-to-peer marketplaces. You can make money with Bitcoin by trading, mining, or holding, but each method carries its own risks and requires careful consideration. It's important to do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about personal finance, cryptocurrency, and investing, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment with any questions or feedback you may have. We love hearing from our viewers and value your input. Finally, if you're interested in investing in Bitcoin, we encourage you to do your own research and consider the risks involved. However, if you're ready to take the plunge, we've included a link in the description below to a reputable exchange where you can buy Bitcoin today. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more tips.